Hi everyone, if you are a developer, then this extension will be super helpful for you in your daily routine life. So its extension name is Grepper. So when you will search, you will get some basic information from here, and this is its official site. You can click on it, and here you will find a video which will give you a brief overview. You can read all the information over here. It provides a lot of information and different ways to use it to communicate with within a forum or community. So you can say like Grepper itself is a community. To use this tool, you just need to search in your extension from here like Grepper, or otherwise you can directly click over here, install Grepper for Chrome. It will redirect you to your Chrome web store. It will ask to add to Chrome. Click on it, add extension, and here you will find its official website. You can check out its features and all. So once you will add that extension, it will be added over here. You just need to log in first time. When you are visiting first time, it will ask to log in you. So you can log in from your Gmail account or from GitHub account. So once you will logged in, it will provide some basic information over here. Just watch this video for more clarity, so you will get more ideas like what benefits we can have of Grepper. Now if you will search anything about like JavaScript loops, so it will provide that code snippet on the top, which will really help to us in our daily routine. And if we search a simple search without Grepper, then we just get links and all. But if we installed that Grepper extension once, we will get all the things over here. And if you will search like Ajax syntax jQuery, so you will get all the information, all the basic syntax and all over here, which mostly we prefer Stack Overflow and all. So in this way, Grepper helps a lot. It saves our time as well. Create your own profile on Grepper and post your answers in a community, and you can view answers by other people as well. So just go and check it out once. You can find like community answers doc. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.